I am the CEO of the Java House Group. Today we are here to open the 98th Java House restaurant in Kisii County, and we are so grateful to be here today. 5 of our staff that are working at this branch are from Kisii County. So is the branch manager, Emily, is from Kisii County, so that's already job creation. But additionally, 98% of what we use at Java is bought locally. So from local farmers, local traders. So we do very little imports, and we hope to continue to do that with the development of restaurants here, but also to show that counties are thriving, that business and economic development is not only centered around Nairobi and the other cities, that Kisii is an example of not just a bountiful county, but a county with economic development.
Industry, tourism and marketing is county. Indeed, we are excited today for this grand opening of Java House. We know the brand Java House is a known brand, is bringing goods to Kisii County. We indeed welcome Java House in Kisii County. It has come in a big way, and we encourage it to work within Kisii County. Bring this, as the manager said, she has employed some of the staff from the Kisii County. It's going to provide market for the local products. Knowing that Kisii is well known for coffee growing and other products, is a land of plenty, I believe through Java House we will get market for our products in Kisii County. As a county, we encourage for these to come, and we encourage for the expansion of Java House within Kisii. Kisii is expansive and is economical giant within the region. We expect these to grow in a very fast way, and we have 1 or 2 branches open in Kisii. I think that's a policy we have as a department, encouraging trade and encouraging people to grow in terms of investment. It's good for the community of Kisii.
But we also have a presence in Uganda and Rwanda. We are on our road to 100, so this is 98. This year, we will be opening an additional 10 restaurants, so we will be well beyond the 100, and the majority of those will be outside of Nairobi and in other counties. So we continue to lead the way of showing that there is economic development outside of Nairobi and into other counties.
We encourage other investors to invest in this. We have a very good environment, good policies within Kisii to ensure that we encourage more investors to come and invest in Kisii for our people to grow economically. That's where we are looking at. Indeed, as a county, through the policy of our Excellency Barat, is really encouraging people to come and invest in Kisii because it's so productive, and we provide market for our people, we provide employment for our young people, and the qualification and professionalism that we want to bring to us. Kisii is a county that is growing economically, and we look forward for other people to come and invest in this venture.
We are glad to partner with Java House, and by the way, I think it's after Mutaiga last year, Voy 6 months ago. I mean, we meet with Priscilla all across Kenya. It's a real pleasure. So we are very glad to partner with Java, the leading coffee house chain founded in 1999, as was mentioned. And this year they are celebrating their 25th anniversary and close to achieving 100 stores within East Africa. If I understood well, it's the number 98, right? 88 in Kenya. Yeah, I'm well informed. We are excited to grow our partnership with Java House by bringing their richly flavored coffee, tea and delicious meals to our customers. So far we have 7 sites with Java House at Total Energy.